Hi friends, welcome to AJJ Talks. As part of Let's Crack Gate 2025 video series, today we are going to discuss the topic averages. This is a very simple topic and generally problems related to age and sequence and series are being asked in correlation with averages. So let's revise some of the basic equations that we have learned in our preliminary classes. Arithmetic mean is sum of observations by number of observations. Mode is the most occurring observation in a set of observations. Median. In order to find out the median, we arrange the observations in the ascending or descending order. And when n is odd, the median will be the middlemost observation, that is the n plus 1 by 2 term of the series. Whenever n is even, the median will be the average of middle terms, that is n by 2 term and n plus 1 by 2 term by 2. One more point, if A, B, C, D are in a AP arithmetic progression, then the term B will be equal to A plus B by 2 and C will be equal to B plus D by 2 and so on. That is, if we want to find out any of the term, then that will be the average of the term before and after that, arithmetic mean. When A, B, C, D are in a geometric progression, then B will be root of AC and C will be root of BD. So that means if you want to find out a term B, then that will be the geometric mean, root of the term before and after that term. Now let's do some problems. First one, arithmetic and geometric mean of two numbers are 65 and 25 respectively. Which are those numbers? Let us take the numbers as A and B. So the arithmetic mean means A plus B by 2 is equal to 65 and geometric mean is root of AB, that is equal to 25. So from this, A plus B is equal to 65 into 2, 130, and squaring this, AB is equal to 625. So sum of the numbers is 130 and product is 625. All options are having the sum as 130 and D will give us product as 625. Second question, average salary per head of all workers of an institution is 60. The average salary per head of 12 officers is rupees 400. Average salary per head of rest is rupees 56. Then total number of workers in the institute is. Average salary we can write it as total sum of salary divided by total number of workers. So suppose we are taking there are X number of workers in the institution. Then the total sum of their salaries will be equal to n, that number of workers that we have taken, that is X into average of salary, that is 60. And this total salary can be obtained by sum of the total salaries of officers and sum of the salaries of remaining. So sum of the salaries of 12 officers will be 12 into their average is 400 plus remaining workers will be total number of workers minus 12 officers and their average is 56. So in all problems of averages, it is just to make this equation. Once you made the equation, then the game is over. And this will give us x equal to 1032. Third question, average of first 25 multiples of 5 is. So that means 5 plus 10 plus 15 like this up to the first 25 multiples of 5 divided by average will be 25. So we can take 5 as common, then 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 25 terms by 25. So this is sum of first 25 numbers or first 25 integers. We know that sum is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. It is sum of AP. So in this case it is n is 25. 25 into 25 plus 1, 26 by 2. 26 by 2 is 13. So this sum we will get it as 5 into 25 by 13 by 25. Cancelling this, 13 into 5 is 65. Now let's solve two more problems. A cricketer scored some runs in his continuous 9 innings. He scored 100 runs in his 10th innings and this increased his average by 8 runs. What was the percentage of his runs at the end of 10th innings? So let us assume the total score at the end of 9 innings to be x. So the average will be x by 9. And in the 10th innings, his average increased by 8. So this will be the total average, and that can be equated as initially the total score was x, and in his 10th innings he scored 100. So x plus 100 will be the total run scored after the end of 10th innings, and totally he played 10 matches. So now from this simplify this and obtain x to be 180. So x is the total score at the end of 9 innings. And we were asked what was the average of his runs at the end of 10 innings. That is, this is what was asked. So 180 plus 100 by 10. That will be 280 by 10, that is 28. Let's see will be the answer. Now in second question, there are 6 consecutive numbers in increasing order. Consecutive, let's take it as there are 6 consecutive odd numbers in increasing order. The difference between the average of the squares of first 4 numbers and last 4 numbers is 64. If sum of the first and last element is 178, then the average of all 6 numbers is. So let's take the numbers as x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6, x plus 8, and x plus 10. So the difference between the average of squares of first 4 numbers, that is squares of these numbers, and to the last 4 numbers, that is to these numbers. So if we square and subtract, then the terms x plus 4 and x plus 6 squares will cancel out, and we will get x plus 10 whole square plus x plus 8 whole square minus x plus 2 whole square minus x square by 4. By 4 because this is x plus 10 whole square plus x plus 8 whole square plus x plus 6 whole square plus x plus 4 whole square whole divided by 4. Average of 4 terms, and from this subtract the first 4 terms, that is x plus 6 whole square plus x plus 4 whole square plus x plus 2 whole square plus x square. So these two will be get cancelled from initial expression, and the remaining x plus 2 the whole square and x square get minus, and both are having common denominator as 4, and this is equal to 64. So this implies from this x square and from this also x square, and here minus x square minus x square, so x square terms totally get cancelled out. From x plus 10 the whole square we will get 2ab term as 20x plus 100 plus from this 16x plus 64 minus 4x plus 4, sorry, minus 4 whole divided by 4. So that is equal to 20 plus 16, 36 minus 432x. 100 plus 64, 164 minus 4 plus 160 by 4 is equal to 64. So from this we will be getting 8x 8x equal to 16 by 4 is 40. 64 minus 40 will be 24 and x equal to 3. So what is this x? X is the first term here. So the terms are 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. And we need to find out average of all 6 numbers. So that means 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13, total 6 numbers. So average will be divided by 6. So this will be combining 6 and 13, 16, 3 and 11, 16, 9 and 7, 16. 16 3 times, 16 into 3 by 6. So the answer will be 8. I'm stopping here. I'll be covering more age related problems in the upcoming video. So please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.